In this video, I'll show you how you can add a back to top button on your Shopify store. Now to do this, we're going to use ChatGPT because it can code for us. But first what you want to do is open up your admin.shopify.com, click on online store. Under themes, you want to find your theme, click here and press edit code. This will take you to the code editor. Then what you want to do is ask ChatGPT how to add back to top button in Shopify, and it's going to tell you how to do it. So first we want to open up edit code, open theme.liquid under layout. So it's this one. So you find theme.liquid under layout, click on it, and it's going to ask you to find the closing body tag and insert this right above it. So just press copy and we want to find the body, and you can see I already copy pasted this right above it. So once you've done that, press save and then head to the next step. Then what you want to do is open your CSS file. For me, it's base.css. You might have one of these, but my CSS file under base, under assets, you can see here, base.css, copy this line of code, add it to the bottom. So you can see at the bottom, I have it right here. So let me just copy and paste it once again for you here. Once you've done that, press save, and then you want to go to the next one. It's going to be in either of these. Now I have it in global.js, which is here, and it's going to ask you to scroll to the bottom and add this code. Now it's important you read this carefully because this one is scrolled to the bottom, but this one is put it right above this one. So make sure you read it carefully. Then you want to scroll to the bottom and you want to copy and paste this one. As you can see, I already copy pasted it right here. Press save, and then you can preview the store. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see you now have the button. So that is how it works, guys. It's pretty good now. ChatGPT can code for you. So just follow the steps in there. And if it doesn't work, just tell ChatGPT it didn't work, and it's going to recode it and make a new one. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.